Are you getting tired of the endless ads on YouTube? It's honestly gone insane lately. We used to have a quick 5-second skip, then it became 2 ads, and now? Sometimes you will get an ad even after skipping an ad. And sometimes we're stuck with 3 unskippable ads that take up a whole minute of our lives. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you will be able to watch everything on YouTube without a single ad. And I'm talking no sketchy third-party apps and no ad blockers that break your browser. If you're ready to take back your time, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome back. Here is the most reliable, high-quality way to get rid of ads forever. First, if you're on a computer, open up your browser and search for YouTube Premium. For those using the mobile app, simply tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom where it says Get YouTube Premium to see the available trial offers and subscription plans. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but listen to this hack for the first-timers. YouTube officially offers a free trial for new members. This means you get the full premium experience, no ads, background play, and offline downloads without paying a single cent today. Remember, trial availability can vary by country. For example, some regions might offer 2 or 3 months, depending on current promotions. You'll need to enter your payment info, but no money will be deducted from your account for the first month. YouTube will actually remind you 7 days before your trial ends. The choice is yours. If you decide it's not for you, simply cancel before the month is up. You won't be charged, but you'll have enjoyed a month of pure, uninterrupted content. Now, personally, I highly recommend keeping the subscription. You don't have to break the bank to have a premium experience, and it includes YouTube Music, which is a total game changer. And that's it. The simplest, safest way to watch YouTube without ads. No more waiting, no more skipping. Did this help you out? Let me know in the comments if you're trying the free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.